In the heart of Zimbabwe, a political storm is brewing. I'm here to dive deep into the controversial demand that's shaking the nation, a call that could redefine the landscape of political freedom in the country. Recently, Senator Hezvo Tshabangu of the Citizens' Coalition for Change made headlines when he called for the immediate arrest of Sikhala, a prominent opposition figure. Why? Sikhala has been openly critical of President Emmerson Mnangagwa's administration, accusing it of human rights violations. But who is Sikhala? This isn't the first time he's been in the spotlight. Known for his fiery rhetoric and unyielding stance against the government, Sikhala has become a symbol of resistance. His vocal criticism has won him admiration from some, but it has also made him a target. Tshabangu's call for Sikhala's arrest isn't just about silencing a dissenting voice, it's a reflection of the deep rifts within Zimbabwe's political opposition. This move has sparked intense debate across the nation, raising crucial questions about the balance between advocating for development and protecting human rights. The stakes are high. The international community and local observers are watching closely as the situation unfolds. The tension is palpable, and the actions of the Zimbabwean government in the coming days could have significant implications for the country's political trajectory and its commitment to upholding democratic principles. What does this mean for the future of free speech and political activism in Zimbabwe? As tensions rise, the answers to these questions become more critical than ever. This isn't just about one politician's fate, it's about the direction of an entire nation struggling with its democratic identity. Stay tuned as we continue to explore these developments and what they mean for Zimbabwe and the international landscape of human rights and political freedom. Thank you for watching, and remember, understanding these issues is the first step towards making a difference. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any updates from Zim News Live YTS.